Hello, welcome back to a new castle vlog. Today we will visit Eynsford castle and a Sutton Valence castle. So if you're ready, let's go. We are on Eynsford castle, reminds of an early Norman enclosure castle, built between 1085 and 1087 by William the Eynsford, Sheriff of Kent. The castle was constructed to enclosure type design with encircling curtain wall, protecting the inner cluster of buildings. The Eynsford family held the castle until their male line died out in 1261, and then it was divided equally between two families. A royal judge, William Inge, purchased half of the castle in 1307. An argument ensued between him and his co-owner Nicholas de Creole, who ransacked the castle in 1312. The castle was never reoccupied and fell into ruins. In the 18th century, the castle was used to hold hunting kennels and stables. The ruins began to be restored after 1897. So I arrived on Sutton Valence castle. This castle is very small ruins, and as a previous castle, Eynsford castle, it's a Norman castle. The castle was built in the second half of 12th century, probably by Baldwin the Bethune, shortly after the Norman conquest of England. The first fortification on the site was a wooden keep, which was later converted to stone. The castle was built on a commanding position, overlooking the strategic route between two towns, Maidstone and the old Winchelsea. The castle was passed into the Marshall and the Montfort families before being given by King Henry III to his half-brother William de Valence in 1265, from whom the castle takes its current name. The castle appears to be abandoned in early 14th century, and by the 15th century had become ruined. The best view when you can see how the castle looks is from a drone shot. That's it for today. As you can see, we have today only ruins and very small ones. I met a guy on the Eynsford castle and I was using the drone. He was filming with the drone. I want to give him a shout out. He's also making videos about the drone shots, so you can check him out. I will put a link in the description. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on next video.